give you slippers.
Yeah, gibilin.
Bilin chinelas. Okay. Alright, and then you can go in and play. Kuya, bani mo manghod.
Sana all. Di mo maluwa ako, babe.
Nice.
Asa ka yung cellphone? Yung laki mo na? Ayo, eat ko noodles. Eat ko noodles. Laki ice do? Laki ice do? Ha? Pwede dire.
Hi.
Ay, dire.
Lipaya dun niya, uy.
Iwan. Terus tiga lagi. Again. I don't know. Ani gitu. Tadi gitu. Apa udah kau?
Wow. here at Palmbeach Resort and Spa. The beachfront is really nice. You can actually snorkel here, and the underwater view, I can rate it 8/10. There are a lot of fishes, around five kinds of fishes are underwater. And unsa pa, naigagmay tuyong. Very few corals and some of them are damaged. Wala lang minisuway adto at sa laom jud kay medyo mahadlok na ko kay ngit-ngit. The part where we were swimming was already very cold and I'm just wearing a bikini. So nindot pud is snorkel dere guys. So if you happen to be here at Palmbeach Resort and Spa, feel free to snorkel. It's actually safe. I did not really see any hazards to snorkeling here. Wala, it's not really, the current is okay. Wala, di siya strong, but basta safe siya. And also, I would like you guys to come and visit Palmbeach Resort and Spa. You can have, you can avail of their day use, wherein you pay 499 pesos only, and you can already use all the amenities and facilities, and even have one meal already. So sulit na kana siya guys. 499 per person on weekdays, and if it's a holiday or a weekend, they price it 699. But of course, with that price, nana may food, and the area is already good for the family. There are 4 pools. There's one pool which is 2 feet. There are 2 pools which are 4 feet. There's one which is 5. I'm not really sure as to the one in the top. Katong nice stairs ninyo gian. I think that's also 4 to 5. But all in all the pools are family safe. Wala sila 6 to 10 feet. So, if ganahan mo glaom, anhin na lang mo sa dagat, kay sure kung laom kay siya. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions about my vlog or about Palmbeach Resort and Spa, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can also chat with them in Facebook. That's Palmbeach Resort and Spa in Mactan. There's the old Palmbeach is in Marigondon, but it's already closed. The one which Uncle Mike's is already auto siya ang old Palmbeach. So Palmbeach Resort and Spa is located here in Punta Engaño. It's just a few blocks away from B Resort, Chateau by the Sea, and kanamayan Abaca Resort. So muna mga nagyan nato. I'm not really sure if they have aqua sports, but I recommend their place. I really love the place because Kiddy enjoyed it, my kids enjoyed it, and my 3-year-old was able to enjoy the pool because nasa 2 feet. Nindot kayo guys. So if you have small kids, teenagers, they will really enjoy Palmbeach Resort and Spa. I'll give you 10/10 all in all, but for the snorkeling, it's 8/10, so still good.
1, 2, 3, fuck it. My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So there's sand, of course, where your kids can play sand castles and just chill. Past 5 perhaps, ganun di kay init. So they also have beds here. You can chica over here. Yeah, the one here on top, that one is a pool. They have 4 pools, and of course, yung view. In front of us is already Olango Island. So nice to do it. I really recommend you visit this place. It's very peaceful, and you can squeal here. Dili mo kasabaan, magsigit-sagit mo.
I know I dream of you, and I help if I dream of you every night.
So guys, once again, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, ask questions, show your support to my channel by subscribing, tapping on the notification bell, and also joining my groups by hitting that join button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next vlog. Lovies. Merry Christmas! Bye!
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.